Yeah, so uy, di mo musaka ha? Banday musaka mo. Sis is good. Ato ara. Parang exit. Finally, we're able to see the exit where there's a taxi.
There's a taxi. Wow,
I think I could bring one of this and it's gonna be nice in our house.
Bring water? Why you bring water? That's a big water.
That's gonna be a big plant. That's nice setup. So we're going now to the airport. And if we're gonna be tired, then we're gonna go back. That's a very tall building over there. That's Ayala Life. It's an insurance.